Their silence will end 7 days after listening to this. This silence is ending. Not later, not eventually, now. The moment you stop fighting it, it collapses. The moment you stop reacting to it, it loses its power. The moment you listen from certainty instead of urgency, it breaks. Their silence is not rejection. It never was. It's pressure. It's tension. It's resistance reaching its final stage. Silence is what happens right before the movement. And the movement is coming. You don't need to do anything to make this happen. You don't need to call. You don't need to text. You don't need to check. You don't need to wonder what they are thinking. They are already thinking about you constantly. Silence is not absence. Silence is response. Silence is the echo of everything they are feeling but haven't been able to face yet. They didn't go quiet because they stopped caring. They went quiet because caring became overwhelming. Because emotion reached a level where avoidance felt safer than honesty. But avoidance doesn't last. It never does. You are stepping off the old timeline now. The one where you waited. The one where you analyzed. The one where you felt needy, uncertain, restless, emotionally tied to their behavior. That timeline collapses. You are not the version of you who needs a message to feel whole. You are not the version of you who waits by the phone. You are not the version of you who feels anxious when nothing happens. You are grounded now, and grounding is magnetic. You stop chasing internally. That's the key. Not what you do physically, but what you do internally. You stop wanting from lack. You stop missing from pain. You stop thinking from hunger because hunger pushes things away. Wholeness pulls them back. You choose to feel good regardless. You choose yourself. You choose your life. You choose peace over obsession, power over urgency, and that choice sends a signal they can feel. They don't know why they feel it. They don't need to understand it. They just feel a shift, a loosening, a pull back towards you. Because on a deeper level, they have been waiting for this moment. They have been waiting for you to stop orbiting them. They have been waiting for you to reclaim yourself. They have been waiting for your energy to change. And now it has. You are expanding a new timeline. One where you are desired. One where you are prioritized. One where communication flows naturally. One where commitment feels obvious. And the old timeline, the one built on ghosting, distance, confusion, and silence, is shrinking fast. They feel it slipping away. They feel you slipping out of the old dynamic. And that creates urgency, not panic, clarity. They start missing you differently now. Not from ego, but from loss, from realization, from the fear of missing something real. They think about reaching out again and again. They imagine what they say. They replay it. They hesitate. The pull grows stronger because emotionally charged moments amplify truth. And because you are no longer desperate for contact, because you are okay either way, because you have decided your life comes first, their resistance weakens fast. Detachment is not giving up. Detachment is the green light. It is the signal that says it's safe to move now. You are no longer clinging. You are no longer needing proof. You are no longer saying, please choose me. Your energy now says, I am chosen. And that is what they feel. You might notice something strange happening in you, a calm, a peace, a sense of okayness you didn't expect. That's not you losing interest. That's you winning. That's the shift. That's the moment the new timeline locks in. Missing them less is not failure. It's progress. It's alignment. It's the exact state that pulls communication back. People don't reach out when they feel pressure. They reach out when they feel space. They reach out when the energy opens. They reach out when the other person no longer needs them. That's when silence breaks. You don't attract communication by wanting communication. You attract it by not needing it, by being relaxed, empowered, and grounded in your own life. And as you do that, their armor cracks. They feel the loss of control. They feel the shift in power. They feel the possibility of losing you energetically. And that's when they move. Not because you chased them, because you stopped. You live now as if the outcome is decided. Either way, you know you will be okay. You know you are valuable. You know you are magnetic. And that knowing reorganizes reality. They don't stay silent when they feel you slipping out of the old role. They don't stay silent when they feel you becoming unattached. They don't stay silent when they feel you rising. Silence ends when urgency leaves you. And urgency has left. You are no longer asking when. You are no longer asking why. You are no longer asking what went wrong. You are standing in the state where love flows towards you, where effort is unnecessary, where communication is natural, where connection returns easily. This is the timeline you are on now. They feel nostalgic, reflective. They feel the weight of what they didn't say. They feel the need to reconnect. They feel the urge to reach out before it's too late. You don't need to prepare. You don't need to plan your response. You don't need to rehearse anything. You stay calm. You stay open. You stay in your power. And when the silence breaks, it feels natural, not shocking, not chaotic, expected, because you already knew. You've already moved into the version of you who is contacted, the version of you who is chosen, the version of you who is wanted, and reality is catching up. You don't force miracles, you allow them. And allowance is happening now. You don't push the moment. You don't push the timing. You don't lean forward emotionally. You let it come to you because you know it will. Not knowing changes everything. Where there used to be pressure, there is space. Where there used to be need, there is calm. Where there used to be chasing, there is self-possession. And that is what pulls them back. What once felt like control now feels like loss. What once felt safe now feels risky. The silence no longer protects them. It isolates them. They feel you moving on energetically, not away from them, but into yourself. And that creates a response they can't ignore. They realize you are no longer waiting. You are no longer available in the old dynamic. And that wakes them up. Truth presses for expression. You don't have to initiate anything. You don't have to break your silence to end theirs. Your internal shift already did the work. You don't reach out from fear. They reach out from clarity because the connection matters more than avoidance. You stay relaxed. You live your life. And living your life is what draws them back. You're detached but not closed. Grounded but not cold. Whole but not unavailable. And that state is magnetic. They feel safe contacting you again. Safe to be honest. safe to speak. You didn't end the silence. You outgrew it. And silence cannot exist where growth has taken place. This silence was never permanent. It was a pause. And the pause is ending because you changed the state that sustained it. This silence is ending. Not later, not eventually, now. Type, the silence is broken to affirm this energy. And if you want your special person to be drawn to you even faster, I can help you. All you need is my free obsession spell. To get my free obsession spell, just visit joybyjanell.com, click the link in the description box below, or click the link in my bio. Subscribe if this video brought you comfort. I am sending you so much love and light. Have a beautiful rest of your day. I will connect with you again in the next video.